Two companies sent me air fryers, want me to make a video and tell you all how good they are. Well, I decided I'm going to pit them against each other and see which one's better. I suspect that they'll be about the same, but I've already made one recipe and one was a clear winner. But anyway, the brands that I got was a Baguette one right here. It's a 3.7 quart air fryer, and this one is Omorc, and it's a 6 quart air fryer. They all have settings that they think they know what to cook the chicken with, what temperature and for how long and all that. But you can change it all on both of them. You can make up your own time and temperature on all of them. It says in the recipes to preheat them on some things. It says that to do it with chicken. I've already done the chicken test and I didn't preheat them. I didn't read the instructions. The smaller one, 3.7 quart, comes with a pretty nice recipe book, 40 recipes. This large one, the Omorc, or Omorc. I'm sorry, the names aren't, completely English. And anyway, the Omorc one has, I don't know, maybe 9 recipes. Not very many at all. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to cook up some chicken legs. And I have 6 legs here. And I sprinkled them with this seasoned salt right there. Just sprinkled it on there. And they've been sitting out here for 10 minutes. I mean 30 minutes. They're still cold, and 30 minutes isn't going to hurt anything. I'm going to take them and coat them in flour, and the flour is about 2 cups of flour, I think, and I put in a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, a tablespoon of that, and a tablespoon of garlic salt. And I'm going to put them in the flour. And then here I have 2 eggs and some buttermilk. Now, I'm not doing everything like a usual video because I don't want this video to be forever long. We're just basically going to test out the 2 air fryers and see how they do. And then sprinkle this in flour. So marinate them in the seasoned salt, put them in the flour, then put them in the egg wash, and then in the flour again, and set them on the plate. And I'm going to let them sit on the plate for 30 minutes to kind of gum up. The chicken has set for about 25 minutes. I'm going to brush it with some vegetable oil on all sides, just all over it. This will help crisp everything up in the air fryer, I believe. I'll put 3 pieces of chicken in each one. This is the large air fryer, the Omorc. I'm going to cook them for the same amount of time in each one. 350 for 20 minutes. Put it in there. These are actually very easy to set. Much easier than I thought it would be. Set it for 20 minutes. And I will cook it 20 minutes, but I'll turn it over at 10 minutes. This is the 3 chicken legs out of the 6-quart Omorc. And here is the 3 legs out of the 3.7-quart Baguette. In the large one, the 6-quart, it didn't really stick at all. But here in the 3.7-quart, it did stick a little bit. We'll just kind of get those and put that on our plate. So this is the 6-quart Omorc, 3.7-quart Baguette, and let's give it a try. They look about the same. I wonder if there's really much any difference at all in, you know, these cookers. Definitely done. It tastes good. Try this one. So this is the Baguette and Omorc, the large one. As you see on the plate, this is more or less really juices. Over here is more oil. Juices, but a little more oil. I think the Omorc 6-quart wins. I mean, they're both good, but this is hands down better, by far, I think. The next thing we're going to try is some frozen sweet potatoes. There's the whole bag there. And getting back to that chicken, that chicken in the large one, Omorc, was just so much better. It was a little bit crispier. It wasn't greasy tasting. The other one tasted greasy bad. I mean, I really do like Kentucky Fried Chicken, which is kind of greasy, and I like that. You know, I like Kentucky Fried Greasy, but I didn't care for the Baguette fried chicken. A little more salt. And you could add other seasonings in there. So since these are different sizes, I'm going to put just some in there and more in here to be more fair. This one will go up to 400 degrees, the large one. The small one here only goes up to 380. So I don't know, do you think I'm being fair here? I think I'll do it like that. I'll cook these at 380 on both of them. And I'll try 20 minutes, I'll try 30 minutes. When I get done, I'll tell you. You know, I'm going to try 20 minutes at first. So here are the fries out of the Baguette, the 3.7 quart one. And here are the fries out of the large 6 quart Omorc. And you know, they are just so loose in there, and nothing has sticks. Nothing sticks. The other one, it always sticks somewhat. You know, on that fried chicken, you saw pieces of the breading off. That didn't happen in this big one. And in the, as far as the French fries, these kind of stuck a little bit. I've never been able to make a sweet potato fry that was kind of crispy. Those are crispy. These are too. They don't look as dark. I like the looks of these better. I have to tell you, these are more dried out. They're not like cardboard inside. But, I mean, these are still good, but these are superior by far. The large Omorc wins again.